Welcome back to the channel. One of the cool things that we have in Nashville is the Good Guys car show. I don't know, Good Guys show. It is an amazing car show. All these cars come out, old vintage classics, and the great part about it is some Broncos come out. Kevin Tate's the man right here. He's checking out some paint jobs at the
paint
Good
jobs,
Guys.
craftsmanship, everything.
Yep.
And, check out what's right over there.
Some Broncos.
Some Broncos. Cody from Velocity Restorations. They have a couple Broncos here, and man, they are beautiful. Like, I've never seen one of Velocity's trucks, and they are pristine. If you get the chance to take a look at their builds, definitely check them out.
So you don't see any hoses, any clutter, any ECU wiring. We hide all that stuff, so it's a nice show and go truck. It'll go off-road, it'll do anything you want. It'll drive 80 miles an hour down the highway, take your hands off the wheel, drive straight as an arrow. It's a very safe, dependable truck that the family can drive, the wife can drive, the kids can drive. We talked to this customer and he wanted something simple, but he wanted something that was really close to the original style low back seats. And we came up with this really nice, unique, but simple interior that doesn't break the bank.
I want to go take a look at the Sema truck, but before I do, you guys are in Nashville, so I gotta ask, have you had hot chicken yet?
We have.
Oh, where'd you go?
We went to Hattie B.
Yes!
This is our famous 1976 Sema Ford Bronco. We built this for Sema last year. It's got a ton of unique features, but everybody wants to know about the power plant. Coyote 5-liter with a 2.9-liter Whipple supercharger, making a little over 500 horsepower to the tires and a little over 700 flywheel horsepower. All right, so our Sema Bronco has a really unique feature, and it's what everybody wants to know about. It's the independent front suspension chassis built by Roadster Shop. It's a really unique chassis. It's got a lot of great features. It gives a really good handling ride. This truck has the independent front, not a straight axle, so that gives you the modern technology feel. It's like you're getting a brand new 2017-18 truck, drive down the road and have an amazing drive. So one of the main things that sticks out about this truck is the flush mount glass. It really gives it a more modern feel to it, so you don't have that big clunky rubber going around the whole thing. So we did all the glass, the windshield, the hard top, the liftgate, to really give it that more modern feel. This is a 100% leather interior. We designed this interior in-house, and again, we wanted to add to it instead of take away from it. As you can see, we did a nice dark two-tone with the lighter color leather. We've got a really nice custom console. We leather out the dash pad. It's very simple but unique.
These trucks are incredible. You have to come and look at this. I mean, I'm not kidding. This glass, it's perfect. Amazing build. One day, when you come back, can I drive this?
Absolutely.
Yes! You heard it. We're holding Cody to it. Man, thank you, Cody, for showing me around your trucks. And let's go see if there's anything else out here. So I posted on my Instagram feed that my badges on my Bronco were taken,
And this is Bobby. She works at Velocity, and she was like, I'm bringing some with me to Good Guys. And so look at this. These guys are awesome. Thank you, Velocity. Thank you, Bobby.